That knife makes a difference. So we pop that thing, we'll get that knife. Yeah. Whoo. Get that knife.
This is a cold war. Do you know what you
Why so serious? Why so serious? What's going on, guys? It's your guy Serious Mindset, back with another video. And in this video, this is something that's going to change the direction where I want to go as far as with the tires. So needless to say, let's look at that front end, because if you checked out 2 videos ago, we did the mod with the lights, but let's go ahead and play with that thing, because you know it's all about how that thing looks. And whew, check it out. So look at that thing. Whew. Got the good old, see, still got the tow hook, so I have to mod that up a little bit more, make that a little bit more perfect. So I'm gonna pull up the app here. See, scanning device. Shout out to Anthony, my guy. We are working on something that's gonna be crazy dope. So let's see if this thing can fire up. Whew, look at that red. Then let's see if this one got speed. I don't think that one has speed. It's just yellow. That red, man, look at that. Whew, that is so dope. Let me see if I can put like a, we're gonna go red. I'm gonna try to see if I can set like a favorites. He said I couldn't, but let me see what kind of mode I can go. So they got over, let me see. So I got over 200, I got 200 modes. Man, that's dope. Look at that. That is dope. So I don't know, can I change that color though? If I go with that? No. It's auto. Mode 1. Okay. So oh yeah, that's hot. Oh yeah, that's dope. Oh yeah, that's dope. That's fire. See, I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's like yellow. Let me see if I can make this thing a little bit brighter. See. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Something that happened with the memory, but you can see, I'm trying to see. I'm gonna have to get with Anthony again, so you can make it faster, just like he said. You can make it faster. I don't know if you guys can see. I got like a special little screen thing, but try to make it faster, slow it down. Oh yeah. So just trying to find your mode. Okay. Oh yeah, that's hot. I like that. So he said blue is probably not what you want to ride with, but that red and yellow, I think that might be the go-to. But needless to say, that's fire. That's hot. So we got another mod coming. Let me get this. Let me go ahead and get the good lighting. So we got another mod coming. I'm about to work on right now. We probably might end up doing a 2-in-1 since I have open schedule today. Not really, but I want to squeeze it in because I just feel good. Just have my energy drink, set everything on the side, sit in the chair. So again, if you guys are just not tuning into the video or the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. You already know what we're trying to do. We're trying to get to Serious Nation, which is 1,000 subscribers. So make sure you hit the sub button, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the comments button. Just make sure you give all the love, man. I appreciate it. But needless to say, let's get to the mod. So I didn't even open this up, so let me take off my address. See, I was excited and I was going to open it up, but it's only open a little bit. You kind of can see it. But needless to say, we are going to make a difference with these lugs, needless to say. So I notice I say needless to say a lot. Like that's my go-to word, needless to say. I noticed that in the last couple of videos. Needless to say. I don't know. Maybe I need to make a shirt that says needless to say serious or something like that. But anyway, we are going to take care of these lugs just as much as we took care of the brake pads. We went to ceramic, so if you haven't checked out that video, I'm gonna put it right there. But we changed the brakes on the entire system. We went to ceramic. I didn't get a chance to wash the car, the Widebody yet, because it's still a little cloudy out. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's still a little cloudy outside. So I just want to get everything in here as much as possible. Then when I clean it up, it's just gonna be a full clean. So I have open room. I have the low profile lift. So we're gonna crank this thing up. It's gonna be an easy mod. This is gonna be an easy mod. Literally just changing. Hold on, let me show you guys. All right, so we're gonna open this together because I haven't seen it. I really haven't seen it. So we're gonna open this stuff together. So get my knife. We're gonna get the knife. We're gonna get that knife because you know that knife makes a difference. So we pop that thing, we're gonna get that knife. Yeah. Whoo. Get that knife. Alright. Don't cut yourself. Sure you don't cut yourself. Alright, we just gonna come straight from the cut. Ooh, you think it's a game? Try not to cut the product. Alright. Oh. So, oh, that's dope. Oh, that's dope. Check this out, guys. So I got this from 6-Speed. So with these, you can put in the little plugs. Where's my others? I should have more. Oh, okay, yeah, here we go. So they gave me these. So these are little inserts that you can put in there. Golly, somebody hurting. Okay. I mean, I no cap, but I used to be that guy too. I mean, we all had a hoopty or whatnot, but god dang, you know, put something on that belt. But you can see here, I have I forgot what's the name of it, but these are kind of like the tuner type color, and they're very light. I don't know as far as durability goes, but these look so dope. So these are gonna go right on here. Oh man, that's dope. Let's see how it looks with the red. So we're gonna try to see how it looks with the red. Let's see. So because I bought the red insert caps, so we're gonna try to see what the red insert cap looks with it. Let's see. So the lug goes in this way, so the lug, and then the cap is here. Oh, that's dope. The camera really doesn't give it justice, but that's kind of dope. Kind of matches the light scheme too, and gives it kind of like, so this will not be seen because it's going to be inserted inside the actual inside the lug part. So it's going to be inserted. Oh yeah, that's dope. And it's kind of like a gold tip. So what will be seen is kind of like this outer gold tip. So I'm gonna put those on, and then we gonna work with this one tire. So we're gonna do this one, and then we're gonna go from there. So let me go ahead and set up, jack everything up, and get everything that I can get going. So stay tuned. Yeah, all right. And we go just I need a key. So I don't know what pattern this is. I totally missed this. Maybe some directions I missed, but it doesn't fit either the 19 or the 18. So maybe it might be a tuner pattern. I don't know. What's so serious? All right, so let me find the directions on this. Let's pull up the directions. So, oh, okay. So it's 6-sided deep socket. So I need a 6. So it says right here. So it says right here, you need a 6-sided deep socket. I know you guys can see that. 6-sided deep socket. So this right here in the green. So it's a deep socket. So I do have a deep socket. Let me see. Oh, they gave some stickers. Promo. Alright, let me see. Let me see if I got a 6-sided deep socket. I might have to go to the store to go find this. Yeah. You might have to go to the store to find this 6-sided. Yeah, I don't have a 6-sided. I don't know what is a 6-sided. Oh, I do. See, I got a 6-sided 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 deep socket. What did I miss? Did I miss something, guys? Man, I'm going crazy. Let me figure out if they're gonna work right quick. If you guys go to the next clip, then I guess they work or whatnot. So let me go ahead and do a test fit and see how they actually go on by hand. Let's see. Yeah, they fit 14 millimeter by 1.5. So that's how that thing will look. I don't know. Ugh. See how far that thing gonna stick out too. Sticks out. I don't know if I like that. I don't know if I like that. But let me go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and put the wheel looks on, and I'm gonna go ahead and ride to Harbor Freight. So stay tuned. And then we're gonna go ahead and finish installing the rest of them. I don't know about this, but I'm not gonna not install it and not know how it looks. So I'm gonna put it on there, and then we just gonna go from there. So stay tuned. Focus. There we go. All right, so quick update. So I just came from the harbor store, Freight Harbor, and I didn't find where is it at? I think it's in my pocket. I hope I didn't lose it. Luckily, I got the I got 24 Lug. I think it's 24 Lug. I think it's 24. But damn, do I not have it? Oh crap. With it, but anyway, long story short, I made a phone call. One of the best things you can do if you're having problems with any type of install and they have a social media following is go to their social media page and click the contact button, and if it's within that proper time or whatnot, and you didn't wait too long or wait that evening to install it, you'll find a representative. But needless to say, shout out to the representative. Her name was I think it was Dorothy at 6 Speed. And I told her basically what happened, and she already knew what was going on, and she was like, just count out the pattern or whatnot. So I guess when they packaged it up, I guess they packaged it wrong or something like that, but she already knew what was going on. So I cannot put on the lugs at this moment. So this is going to be a continuation mod the next day. So the 6 Speed is in Washington. I'm in Washington. So hopefully they come in tomorrow. With that being said, I'm going to have to end up doing another mod today to replace that, which I already planned on doing. So like I said, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the like button. I am going to transform this wide body like nobody's business. I'm just saying, I'm trying not to curse, you know what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, hit the subscribe button. We're on our way trying to hit 2,000 subscribers. By the time you see the next part of this video, it will be, is it right here? No, it's not right here. It will be me finally installing. And no mod is so easy. And you talk about just changing lugs. So all of them are, hold on, let me get this quick pull in here. So all of the lugs are locks. So they all are locks. So you cannot, and that's what I like about it. So I'm not even tripping. So all the lugs are locked. So if you get I think it's their 3-piece or whatnot, like they're all locked. So, oh, they got some glass right there. Let me avoid that. But if you get a chance to order from 6 Speed, make sure you buy the locking. If they're 7 notches on the lug. So if you got questions, just give them a call or whatnot. So I'm doing the airing as well. So mind you, I always talk about a giveaway for for my brand SeriousMindset Apparel. So I make my own apparel, but I'm doing a whole bunch of things as well. So with me being overwhelmed between the military and trying to do this business and try to do this launch and try to do the mods for this video, the mods for this vehicle, on top of the YouTube, on top of being a father, husband, I had to outsource the labor, right? So with that being said, I don't want to go too much into what I'm doing, but I figure it'd probably be motivation for you guys that's probably trying to do something else, just not into cars, just in general. So needless to say, I'm gonna go in here, I'm gonna pick this up. This is me giving him his name is H&S Print. So when I'm just gonna tell you what it is, because at the end of the day, you know, everybody needs a pointer or whatnot. And if you got any questions, just make sure you drop a comment. But I'm outsourcing one design to him. Mind you, I do everything in house, so I'm outsourcing one design to him just to see how his quality is. So with that being said, I don't want to trust one vendor to do everything right then and there, and I wouldn't tell you to do that. So you give a client that one and you tell them how you want it, and then I'm taking a chance because I have to come off the top and pay for that. So with that being said, he knows my expectations. I sat down, I basically interviewed him because he wants my service, he needs my service, right? So at the end of the day, he called me while I was in the hardware shop, and now I'm here about to pick up this limited edition. These are gonna be limited editions because I wasn't gonna do this colorway, but I figure why not? Let me see what this guy can do and go from there. So with that being said, this is kind of like an epic fail, but giving you guys a motivational hit at the same time. So at the end of the day, let me show you what I created, because I haven't showed too much, nothing but the hats, a couple of shirt designs, but not too much. So we're gonna go in here and see what Bill has worked up for us. So come on, nervous. Oh, that looks good. Oh, Bill, look at you. So these are the limited editions for the SeriousMindset. These are going to be the limited editions, and it looks nice on camera as well. So simple, straight to the point, self-explanatory. So needless to say, let me go ahead and take care of the back end and pay this gentleman for his great work. Did the film give you any problems? No. Okay. Great. All right, guys. So look, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Let me go ahead and handle business. Stay tuned for the next mod. The next mod, I'm gonna probably be in this same outfit, and then we can. Oh yeah, look. He also put it on the mannequin. So this is the mannequin. That's the front, and this is the back. Oh, Bill. Oh man, I love it. Beautiful. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to give Bill some more orders. So, needless to say, make sure you do your research, and you know, if you guys want me to talk more about business and what I do as far as outside of the military and you know, just in general entrepreneurship, you know, drop a comment down there. But until then, stay tuned for the next video. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell. At the end of the day, stay serious. Look out for this limited edition release. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Watch the serious.
This is a cold war. Do you know what you're
Watch the serious.